the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making beef stew. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2.5 pounds of beef cubes, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 4 cups of beef broth, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 3 garlic cloves minced, 4 potatoes, 1 cup of carrots, 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of celery, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of red wine, 1 cup of frozen peas, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt divided, 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes. Okay guys, in a heated pot, I'm going to add my 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to let that come to temperature. Next, I'm going to begin to add my beef cubes in. Okay guys, all we're going to do is let our beef cubes brown. So right now I'm just going to add 1 teaspoon of salt over it. And we're just going to move them around. And remember, we're only browning them. And your heat should be on medium-high. Okay guys, once your beef cubes are browned, we're going to remove them from the pot and set them to the side. Okay guys, now I added my 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm just going to let that melt. Now you can add in your carrots, your celery, your garlic, and also your onion. And we're going to let that saute for 5 minutes. You want to mix it around real good. Okay guys, after 5 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle in my flour. You want to mix that in real well. Okay guys, next I'm going to add in my tomato paste. And I'm going to mix that around well also. Now we're going to add in our 4th cup of red wine. And you just want to mix that thoroughly. Now you can turn off your heat. Okay guys, now in my crock pot, I'm going to add the 4 cups of beef broth. Now guys, all the veggies that we sauteed, we're just going to add them in also. You want to go ahead and mix that around. Now we're going to add in our beef cubes. Our thyme. Salt. Paprika. Our Worcestershire sauce. And our ground black pepper, and we're going to mix that until well combined. Now we're going to add in our 2 bay leaves. I'm going to go ahead and push them down in there. Now we can put our lid over top. And we're going to set it for 2 hours. On high, and we're gonna let that cook. Okay guys, it's been 2 hours, so I'm gonna go ahead and open our crock pot. I'm gonna give it a little mix, and now you want to go ahead and add in your potatoes and also your peas. We're just going to go ahead and mix them around, and we're going to set it for 2 more hours on high. Okay guys, so our beef stew is now done. How nice that came out. Okay guys, so here we have it, our beef stew. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.